Let us start today's class. Chapter number 2, polynomial. My voice is coming, then tell me. Then I will start today's first question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The value of k for which x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So by factor theorem, if you know that if x minus a is a, or x plus a is a factor of px, then what the factor theorem told, p of a must be 0, right or not? Anna?
Yes, sir.
So that means here
Yes,
we
sir.
will put down the x is equals to minus 1, then you will get the answer of k. Okay, so now put over x is equals to minus 1 and make it equals to 0. So 9 into minus 1 is square plus k into minus 1 and minus 18 is equal to 0. So this gives you 9 minus k minus 18 is equals to 0. So k you will get 18 minus 9, that you will get k is equals to minus 9 after simplification. Okay, so C is the correct answer, right? Don't why I am writing x is equal to minus 1, because if you will compare with this one, you will get a is equals to minus 1, right? That's why I am putting over here x is equal to minus 1. Okay, please turn off your mic. Prem, I think your mic on. Please turn off your mic. Now second one, the
Yes.
remainder theorem. Now we will use it. I think this question we have done, but those who not present in the earlier class, I will be repeating just one. The remainder will be this one. The remainder when x power 4 minus y power 4 is divided by this one. So what you will get? Anyone? Those who present in the previous class, please tell me how to solve this question. This shows that no one had solved these questions. Class 9, those who are present, please tell me how to solve this question, because I already discussed this question. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Means no one know.
So minus 9 will be the answer.
Huh? I am talking about second question, beta. Second question, not first one. Second one. The remainder when x raised to power 4 minus y raised to power 4 divided by x minus y. Yes.
It will be x
Sir,
plus
D1.
y.
Yes, my voice is coming now.
Sir, it will be x plus y.
Why?
Sorry.
How you have means
Sir,
how you have
because if
started?
we
Sir,
Yes.
sir first
Yes, Dinesh. I think you are there in the last class when I have discussed this question.
Sir,
Look at here. Can you write this one x power 2 minus y power 2 whole power 2 divided by x minus y? Okay. X square plus y square, x square minus y square means x minus y आपका इन दोनों को डिवाइड करेगा. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Then which one is the most appropriate answer according to this one? Options which are given.
Sir, 0.
0.
0.
देखो, how you will solve this question if you will use remainder theorem. तो x minus a type को x plus a type will be the polynomial polynomial and the px with the polynomial greater or equals to whose degree 1. So its degree will be, let us take this one px comma y and this is your gx comma y. ठीक है, that is x minus y. आप कुछ नहीं, कंपेयर करो y की जगह पर, मीन्स यहां से कंपेयर करो, a आपका कितना आएगा, दैट इज माइनस y, यानी कि a का मतलब आपको p ऑफ a निकालना है। आपको p ऑफ a मतलब आपको यहां पर वैल्यू पुट करनी है, तो a इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस y रखो, सो माइनस y पावर 4 माइनस y पावर x के जगह पर जो वेरिएबल्स होता है उस जगह पे रखते हैं। y हियर टेक एज कांस्टेंट and this will be same as, so y power 4 gives you y power 4 again minus y power 4, that means remainder will be 0. So in this way you will get the answer with the remainder theorem, easier way, otherwise you will get confused with this question. This is the shortcut trick. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, इसको आप ले लो px, ठीक है, जहां पे अब y को एक तरह से कांस्टेंट आप कंपेयर करो, take it as means polynomial will be written as px comma y where y is constant, take x is a variable, and here it will be written as x plus a form where a is equals to your minus y. So remainder theorem क्या कहती है, if p of a will be 0 then it will be the remainder means factors or remainder becomes 0. So आप इसको सॉल्व कर लो, अगर आपका p of a 0 आ रहा है that means remainder will be always 0 when divided by px by qx और gx, सॉरी, ठीक है। तो इन दिस केस अगर पूरा डिवाइड हो रहा तो रिमाइंडर आपका 0 आएगा, ठीक है। यस और नो क्लास?
Yes, sir.
नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3.
Yes, sir.
Divided by this is again the same question. Here you will compare x is equals to
-1.
हाँ, because this is divided by, so you have to put down x is equals to -1 in this expression. If whatever the answer will come, you will put down over there. So -1 की power 21 plus 101. So this is always 1. -1 की power odd होगा तो -1 ही आएगा आंसर. So answer will be means this one 100, क्योंकि 101 minus 1 that gives you 100. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now fourth one. Now look at fourth one. Here you have to find manually x, 1 plus x, 1 plus y, 1 plus z. So I am giving you shortcut tricks how to find, only find 1 plus x. No need to find others. So 1 plus x means a minus b upon a plus b. So if you will simplify this one after taking LCM, this term will come up. Now b will get cancelled out. Now 1 plus x is coming in this form 2a upon a plus b, ठीक है। इसी प्रकार से आपका 1 plus y आएगा आपका 2b upon b plus c, 1 plus z आएगा आपका that is 2c upon c plus a. Only means similarity concept means 1 plus x का रिलेशन a से है, y का रिलेशन b से, z रिलेशन c. Now put down there. Similarly, you will find 1 minus x. So 1 minus x you will get, I think, minus
2b.
there, so a gets cancelled out. That is, you will get minus 2b upon a plus b.
Sir, only 2b minus.
हाँ, एक मिनट. If you will put down minus here, a plus b minus a plus b. Yes, 2b upon a plus b, right? 1 minus x coming 2b upon a plus b. 1 minus y 2c, क्योंकि अब x now related to b, then y is related to c. 2c upon that is b plus c, and 1 minus z that will be 2a upon c plus a. Means you have to use the similarity concept. अगर यहाँ पर x है तो यहाँ पर b आ रहा है न्यूमरेटर में, तो देखो x y z a b c, साइकिल लर्न करो, x y z, x के बाद y, y के बाद z, z के बाद x, Similarly, after A, B, B बाद B, after B, C, C after A. So use the cycle. In place of X, B will be here. यानी कि X का रिलेशन B से है तो Y का रिलेशन C से होगा, Z का रिलेशन A से होगा. Use this is known as cyclic concept. ठीक है? So put down values. I think what was the answer coming? -1 or 1?
Sir,
Yeah.
only one.
1.
1. Okay. So after putting these values, you will get C as your answer. I hope you get this question. Those who are present at least. Aditi,
Yes, sir.
Adya, Prem, Prafulla, Dinesh. Are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. X plus 2 and x minus are the factors of this one. Then the value of m or n. You will do only here. This is your polynomial. That means you have to put down p of -2 and p of 1. Both equals to 0. Make the relation. Solve these equations. Then you will get value m or n. Okay? Okay. I'm not solving here
Yeah.
all the questions. I'm giving you a hint. P of -2 find, make it equal to 0. P of 1 find, make it equal to 0. Now find the value of m or n by solving these equations. ठीक है? Right? अब कर लोगे या मैं करके दिखाऊं? करके दिखाना
Yes, sir.
पड़ेगा. So I think it just wait. At least now look at here. P of -2 if you will find. Now put down here now this is visible, I think. So x is equal to -2, put down this one, though -8 plus 10 into 4, 40 minus 2m plus n is equals to 0. And when you will x is equals to 1 put down, this will also comes 0. So p of 1 will be 0. This means 1 plus 10 plus m plus n is equal to 0. So look at here, if you simplify this one, -8, that will be -32. है ना? Sorry, plus 32. So -2m plus n is equals to -2m plus n 32. So -32 will be there. This is the one of the equations, means you get a -2m plus n is equals to -32. क्योंकि 32 प्लस का आएगा, आप ट्रांसफर करोगे 0 की साइड में, 0 minus 32, तो this will gives you -32, right? And here you will get m plus n is equals to -11, क्योंकि 11 आपका इधर आएगा राइट में. So that is -11 and this is m plus n. आप क्या करो, दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, तो सब्ट्रैक्शन में आपके साइन चेंज होते हैं. क्या ये कॉन्सेप्ट पता है या मैं दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट बताऊं? Is this concept you know? Otherwise I will tell you different concept, because actually this one is in 10th standard class.
Yes.
Are you able to understand this thing, what is going on here?
Yes, sir.
Pakka, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if
Yes,
you will
sir.
subtract both the linear equations, this n will get cancelled out. Now this will gives you, both are minus now. So -3m is equals to, this will be subtracted now, this because 11 now becomes plus. Okay? 11 now becomes plus, because after the on subtraction the later polynomial sign will be changed. So this will give you minus sign m minus n plus 11. So this will subtracted, now you will get -21. So minus is cancel, m is equal to 7. So where you are getting 7, 7 will be coming in two parts. So that means we have to find n also. Put down here m is equal to 7 plus n is equal to -11. So n is equal to -11 minus 7 gives you -18. That means C is the correct option. And look at here, -11 minus 7 gives you -18. In this way, you can say C is the correct option. Right, class, or not?
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. Question number 6, given that x is equals to -4, is a solution of this equation. Okay, the other solutions are, I think I have discussed this question, but again I need to discuss because some students are new in this means group. So if x is equal to -4 is a solution, that means definitely x plus 4 is a factor of this polynomial. Let us say this is px, right? So if this is a factor, okay, that means this will divide this polynomial. So I am dividing this polynomial x cube. Screen properly visible है ना बेटा आप लोगों को? Because this is not white, but it is visible to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो x plus 4 से इसको डिवाइड कर दो, तो जो भी आंसर आएगा that will be making it quadratic के फैक्टर्स आपको आते हैं, तो पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, x स्क्वायर, क्योंकि हमें x क्यूब कैंसिल करना है, तो x क्यूब, now 4x square because it will get multiplied, so plus 4x square minus sign, this will cancel out, minus minus gives you minus 5x square, minus 14 will copy, so now minus 5x means minus 5x square. When you will multiply this one with this thing, so minus 5x square and 5 4s are 20, that means minus 20x, both sign will change, this will cancel out, so this is minus 14 minus plus 20 gives you 6x plus, because 20 now plus sign, so 6 will be coming plus sign, now 24 gets copied. Now you will write here, because wait, I will erase this circle next part. Now here you will get 6, because 6x is there, we will multiply with 6 to this one, so 6x plus 24 minus minus everything gets cancelled out. That means now this is the quadratic polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. Now you will factorize this one, you will get minus 3x minus 2x plus 6, means from here it is clear x is equals to 3, x is equals to 2 is the other two factors, means 2 and 3. No need to solve, यहाँ से आपको क्लियर है कि इसके फैक्टर्स क्या निकल के आएंगे, आपका 3 और 2 निकल के आएगा. Are you getting me or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You simplify it more, that
Huh?
x square minus.
Prashant Tonde is present right now.
Yes, sir.
You are coming too late. Why?
Sir, I have arrived my destination now only, sir.
I don't know what you are saying. Now question number 7. I will make the zoom. Question number 7. A plus b, a minus b means this thing is expression. So look at that. What is this? Or not this one? You will take this one and this one together. Okay, and this one and this one together. So what are the identities? A plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. ये फॉर्मूला आपको किसका होता है? a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब का, और a माइनस b इन अदर ब्रैकेट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस ab, ये किसका होता है? दैट विल बी a क्यूब. दिस वन इज प्लस एंड दिस वन इज माइनस, क्योंकि यहाँ पर प्लस होता है तो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में प्लस, हियर माइनस एंड हियर माइनस. So both are the formula, means both are represented in this way. That means in this place you will write these things. So here you will write now a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, right or not? Please tell me. इस एक्सप्रेशन के प्लेस पे हम ये राइट कर सकते हैं क्या? Now this is your a plus b, a minus b type. So a square minus b square, that means a power 6 minus b power 6. So now check that which one is the correct option. Definitely one of the options will be there, a power 6, b power minus 6. This b part is the correct option.
Correct.
Sir, B.
Have you get it or not? It's very easy, only you have to use here identity
sir.
concept. ठीक है? Now eighth. Is the question number 7 is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is the question number 7 is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Aditi beta, your voice is not coming. Maybe you are not getting or something problem. Aditi,
Yes, sir.
are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are not getting, immediately you can stop me over there. Okay. Or before coming and joining this class means at least Olympiad class, you have to make the practice of the questions. I will just only help you, means little bit guide you how to solve the questions if you are not getting over there. Now this question is very easy. Look at there. This is a cube plus b cube plus c cube type questions, minus 3abc. Yes or no?
Yes,
देखो यहाँ
sir.
पर a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब माइनस 3abc टाइप क्वेश्चन, इट्स आंसर विल बी ऑल मींस
0.
इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 0
0.
0 if a प्लस b प्लस c इज 0, है ना? अब इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है? 0 के इक्वल होती है अगर a प्लस b प्लस c 0, क्योंकि अब देखो, अब यहाँ पर उसने दे दिया है ये a प्लस b प्लस c 3x है। अब देखो क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कैसे करोगे? दिस इज योर a सपोज, तो x a प्लस b प्लस c निकाल लो, x माइनस a प्लस x माइनस b, दिस इज योर a प्लस b प्लस c, ठीक है? अब इफ यू विल ऐड द 3x माइनस a प्लस b प्लस c, ठीक है? सो x x x 3x एंड माइनस a माइनस b माइनस c राइट इन वन ब्रैकेट, बिकॉज अब देखो a प्लस b प्लस c 3x गिवन है, so this is your 3x, so 0, that means 0 is the correct option, right or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Repeat it.
Now this question is very standard question means, and in this book the most of the question will be looks like very standard. Now ninth one, the value
Sir.
of r, the value of r.
Sir,
If
Prof will not answer question.
Yes.
So repeat it. Question 9 question.
Okay,
Eight.
wait. Now look at here. Looks, this is your like a cube plus this is your b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is given. This thing is written over there. हमें इसी की वैल्यू निकालनी है। अब वो कंडीशन इज गिवन a प्लस b प्लस c इज 3x, तो यानी कि आप एक बार चेक कर लो क्या यहाँ पर a प्लस b प्लस c 0 आ रहा है। अगर आ रहा है तो वेल एंड गुड आंसर है। तो देखो a means x minus a, b means x minus b, c means x minus c. So look at here, 3x, 1 2 3, right Prafulla?
Yes.
And minus कॉमन a plus b plus c, और a plus b plus c क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है? That is 3x, then 3x minus 3x gives you 0, right? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
यानी कि आपकी वैल्यू जो है वो कितनी होगी? d equals means 0 is the करेक्ट ऑप्शन, क्योंकि आपको पता है a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब माइनस 3abc is equals to 0 if a plus b plus c will be 0. ऐसा आपको प्रॉपर्टीज. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन ओनली रिलेटेड टू आइडेंटिटी, ओनली यू हैव टू अप्लाई दैट वन, राइट और नॉट? प्लीज टेल मी.
Yes.
Okay. Now your silver Olympiad examinations means form also there. It's a date was comes up, so we will discuss about that one later. Now the burden on you is more in comparing academic as well as Olympiad examination, but definitely if you will do hard work at this time, it will help you in the future. In future, देखो पढ़ाई कभी भी बर्बाद नहीं जाती, बाकी हर एक चीज बर्बाद हो सकती है लेकिन पढ़ाई कभी बर्बाद नहीं जाती. Whatever you learn today, आज जब 9th 10th में जो सीख लोगे वो आपकी लाइफ में हमेशा साथ देगा, ठीक है? So now question number 8 is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 9th one, Ninth one is also very easy, but looking this question is very horrible, है ना क्लास के भाई? देखने में डरावना लग रहा होगा, लेकिन क्वेश्चंस आसान है। लुक एट, आप सॉल्व करोगे तो करोगे कैसे? क्या करो, इसको खींच के इस तरफ लेकर आओ, सब्ट्रैक्ट करो। अब देखो ए स्क्वायर माइनस 19a माइनस 25 अपॉन a माइनस 7 और a minus 12 is here 1, so LCM will be a minus 7, है ना? So wait, मैं थोड़ा सा zoom out कर लूं, that will be much better. एक मिनट, give me some time. Sorry. So now a minus 7 in right hand side, this is going on, so I will write this one later, or write at least once. So now a minus 7, this will remain same, no changement was there, right or not class? Here will be changement, a minus 12 and a minus 7 is gets multiplied. Now look at here, a minus 19a, just a minute, 19a minus 25. Now if you will simplify this one, a minus 12 and a minus 7, so you will get a square minus 19a minus 84, sorry, plus 84. a square minus 19a plus 84. तो a, अब देखो साइन आपका माइनस साइन चल रहा है, मींस दिस साइन विल गेट चेंज्ड, माइनस a स्क्वायर प्लस 19a प्लस 8, सॉरी माइनस 84 divided by a minus 7. In right hand side, r upon a minus 7 is going on, this gets cancelled, means dr part khatam, a square 19a khatam. So अब r की वैल्यू आपकी सिंपली मींस आपको इन दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई करना है, दैट मींस -9 जिसमें आ रहा हो, दैट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर, नो नीड टू सॉल्व फुल। 9 इज कमिंग, सो दैट मींस वंस प्लेस पे 9 कहां पे, 109 में, और तो कहीं है नहीं, so this will be your correct option. A is the correct option. Are you getting me or not? How you get that this
Yes, sir.
question? Okay, so move on to the next one. 10th one, when x cube minus this one is divided by this, remainder is this. ये क्वेश्चन अच्छा है, द वैल्यू ऑफ p एंड q रिस्पेक्टिवली। अब देखो इसको आप डिवाइड करो इससे, ठीक है, रिमाइंडर विल बी कमिंग इन दिस फॉर्म। तो लेट मी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इन व्हाइट स्क्रीन बिकॉज दिस विल टेक्स टाइम, मींस लेंदी क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर। x क्यूब माइनस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस px माइनस q, लेट मी चेक राइट और नॉट, px is plus and it is divided by x square minus 2x minus 3, it is divided by this one, remainder will be coming x minus 6, we will compare that remainder whatever we will got here with that x minus 6, right class? यानी जो रिमाइंडर आपका आएगा उसको कंपेयर करेंगे इससे, then we will get the value of p and q, right? okay, यानी कि जो आपका रिमाइंडर यहाँ पर आएगा ना, उसको हम x minus 6 से कंपेयर करेंगे, फिर देखेंगे कि व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ p एंड q ओवर हियर। सो लेट मी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज दिस इज द ओनली वे टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। नाउ x विल बी देयर, x क्यूब माइनस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x, राइट? साइन गेट्स चेंज्ड, दिस कैंसिल क्योंकि यहाँ पर x स्क्वायर होगा शायद, मुझे लग रहा क्वेश्चन गड़बड़ लिखा है, या माइनस 2x स्क्वायर इज देयर, सो फर्स्ट टू टर्म विल गेट कैंसिल आउट। नाउ व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग, p प्लस 3 इंटू x, क्योंकि आप x कॉमन ले सकते हो यहाँ पर बिकॉज दिस वन इज आल्सो प्लस साइन, सो p प्लस 3x माइनस q, ठीक है। नाउ दिस इज योर रिमाइंडर, इट इज इक्वल्स टू x माइनस 6 बिकॉज दिस इज the given in the question x minus 6. Now compare the coefficient of x, so that means p plus 3 is equals to 1 and q is automatically minus 6 from here you will get. तो options में जाते, options में then move on to the options. If q will be -6, so two place it will be -6, that means we have to find p value also. I think now look at the white screen. What the value of p? That will be 1 minus 3, that will be p is equal to -2. That means -2 and -6 is the correct option. Did you get this question or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Option A.
Option
A.
A, because both are coming minus. ठीक है. Now question number 11. ठीक है. So just 11th one. Find the remainder when the expression this one. Do yourself. It's very easy. आप कुछ नहीं करना, आपको x इक्वल टू -1 रख देना. जो आंसर आएगा शायद आपका -1 रखोगे तो -1 यहाँ, +1 यहाँ, -1 यहाँ, this cancel, 0 will the remainder. तो 0 will be the answer, right? आप केवल x इक्वल टू -1 रखो इसमें, जो भी आंसर आए that will be your remainder. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
X square
Yes.
-1 is a factor of this one. Then x square means x plus 1 and x minus 1 both are factors. Look at here. The meaning of this one is this. So that means both are separately, yani ki x is equal to 1 and -1 both are factor. Means put down here one by one. So just give me 1 minute. I will make it zoom out. Now put down one by one, x is equal to -1, x is equal to 1. You will get the relation any one of them. I think C is the correct answer. You can check that because as I see from here, from the observation, C is the correct option maybe. If anyone had textbooks, please check over there, C is the correct option or not. Because I'm this is my
Sir,
sixth sense
Sir,
that
at backside D is answer.
is D.
Sir, it will be no minus.
Okay, so let me solve.
A will
this.
go on the right side.
Okay, let me solve this question. एक मिनट. हाँ, x इक्वल टू 1 रखोगे इसमें तो क्या आएगा? लेट मी जूम, थोड़ा सा देखना मेरे को ही बंद जाता है. So if you will put x equal to 1, so this is a minus b plus c. X equal to 1 is putting na, so everything will get plus d plus e is equals to, this is equals to which one? Now put down minus, so a minus b plus c minus d plus e. Now same sign terms will get cancel out, e will get also cancel. Now what is remaining? B plus d is equals to minus b minus d. That means none of the parts will be looks like this way. This none of these is the correct option. ठीक है, क्योंकि इस तरह का कहीं पर भी नहीं दिख रहा है तो हमारा डी ही ऑप्शन होगा. करेक्ट. ओके, ठीक है.
Yes.
Now question number
Yes.
13. देखो ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है.
Sir.
a plus b plus c is given 0. Now if you will
So
simplify
your
this
voice
one,
is breaking.
a b c will be LCM. Now in the numerator will be coming in this way. ठीक है. So अब देखो a plus a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc हम यहाँ राइट कर सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि a plus b plus c 0 हमें गिवन है. So this is the identity. Now this will cancel out. So 3 is the correct answer. Okay. देखो केवल
Yes.
आइडेंटिटीज का गेम है. अगर वो आपको क्लियर है, आपको ओलंपियाड कुछ नहीं लगेगा, वहां पे खेल लगेगा. मींस हियर मींस एप्लीकेशन ऑफ आइडेंटिटीज इज मोर मींस वैल्यूएबल, है ना. ठीक है. नाउ एवरीडे मैथमेटिक्स इन बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स वर्क हियर. So length, breadth, height of cuboidal tank 2x minus y, 2x plus y, 4x square plus y square. That means which one is, what is the value? It's very easy. LBS, that means इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपका आएगा 4x स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर और 4x
4x
स्क्वायर प्लस
plus
वाई स्क्वायर, दैट मींस is this answer is there, otherwise
16.
4x power 4 minus y
No, sir,
power
it
4,
will multiply.
sorry 16x
Sir,
power 4, that means this one
16.
है ना?
Yes, sir. Option C.
यस वेरी गुड, यानी बच्चा पार्टी आंसर निकाल लेती है जल्दी से। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वेरी इजी, नॉट इजी। देखो, एरिया इज दिस L into B, means you have to convert this one into A into B form, means L into B form, means you have to factorize this one. You have to factorize this one, then what you will get a less than 1 minute. So solve the remaining question. Okay, 15, 16, 17 and achiever section. ठीक है, solve 15,
Sorry.
16, 17